Hi kids! Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to learn how to use is, am and are in English. These words help us talk about people, things and actions. Let's get started. We use is when we are talking about one person or one thing. For example, he is Ram. It is an apple. It is a mango. We use am when we talk about ourselves. It's only for I. For example, I am Sanskar. I am eating an apple. I am eating a mango. We use are when we talk about many people or many things. For example, the boys are playing. These are apples. The mangoes are yellow. Great work, kids. Keep practicing, and you'll be an expert in no time. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.